The first tranche of sovereign gold bond scheme for the current fiscal opened for subscription. The scheme closes on Friday. In these times of uncertainty, should investors bank on the yellow metal? My colleague Sakshi Batra is here to take you through things that you should know about the sovereign gold bond scheme.
Well, it's good news for all the gold investors as the first tranche of the sovereign gold bond scheme for the current financial year has opened for subscription. Now, the issue price has been fixed at 5,091 rupees per gram of gold. Investors who actually apply online and will also make payment online will actually get a discount of 50 rupees per gram. Now, for such investors, the price will be 5,041 rupees per gram. Also, the bonds, once applied, will be issued on June 28 to all the applicants. Now, this is 18 rupees per gram lower than what investors had actually paid for the sovereign gold bond scheme back in March 2022. Now, one can apply for these bonds via commercial banks or post offices or even stock exchanges. Investors will need to apply for a minimum of 1 gram of gold, while the maximum limit of subscription is 4 kilograms for individuals, whereas 20 kilograms is allowed for trusts and for charitable institutions as well. Now, one must remember that sovereign gold bond scheme actually matures in 8 years with an option of a premature redemption, and that gets after 5 years as well. So what are the true benefits of investing in sovereign gold bonds when you compare it with investments over physical gold? That's the question. So there are a lot of advantages. One, there is no risk of theft or no cost of storage that you need to pay. Then secondly, there is an assurance of purity because the bonds are issued by the RBI. Also, investors of these bonds are paid a fixed rate of interest of 2.5% per annum, which is paid semi-annually. Also, capital gains on gold bonds, if any, at maturity, that is tax-free. There's also an exclusive benefit which is only available to gold bonds. Now, sovereign gold bonds can also be used as a collateral in taking loans from banks when you go ahead. Also, gold prices, which are currently hovering near 50,870 rupees per 10 grams, have actually come off in the last 1 month and in the last 3 months. However, over the last 6 months and 1 year, you actually see that the possible returns that you've seen on gold is to the tune of 5 to 8%. Now, while experts believe that gold prices may actually remain range bound even going forward from here for the next few months, they also suggest that diversification benefits still exist and long-term investors can definitely look at sovereign gold bonds as an option because this is one of the most efficient ways of owning gold.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.